it's Mrs. Running. This is our very last guidance lesson of the school year. I'm sorry that you weren't able to make it to the live lesson, but I'm so glad that you're here because we're going to be talking about how amazing you are. So I have two stories today. The first is called Only One You. It's time, Papa said. I think it is, Mama agreed. Time for what? Audrey asked. Papa's voice softened. To share some wisdom. Always be on the lookout for a new friend. Look for beauty wherever you are. Keep the memory of it with you. Blend in when you need to. Stand out when you have the chance. Find your own way. You don't have to follow the crowd. Know when to speak. Know when to listen. No matter how you look at it, there is so much to discover. If you make a wrong turn, circle back. If something gets in your way, move around it. Set aside some quiet time to relax and reflect every day. Reflect means to think about how your day was. Appreciate art. It's all around you. Make wishes on the stars in the nighttime sky. Thank you for listening, Mama said. We hope you will remember. Papa winked and whispered, we know this is a lot for you to think about. Audrey did a backward somersault and smiled. He was excited to go out into the world with what he had just learned. Wait for me, he shouted to his friends. Before he swam away, he turned back to his parents and said, I will remember. Mama kissed Audrey on the top of his head. There's only one you in this great, big world, she said. Make it a better place. The second book is called Remarkably You. You might be bold, you might be loud, leading parades, drawing a crowd. You might be timid, you might be shy, quietly watching your neighbors go by. You might be small, one tiny sprout, learning new things when you're out and about. You might be big, practically grown, coming and going with friends of your own. No matter your volume, your age, or your size, you have the power to be a surprise. You have the know-how. You're savvy and smart. You could change the world. Are you willing to start? Don't sit on the sidelines. Be part of the fray. Go after your passions a little each day. Find what needs fixing. Repair what you can. Then choose a new problem and do it again. Perhaps you're uncertain, not sure what to do. Just look for the moments that let you be you. Like maybe you're funny, or bookish, or fast, or maybe you're always decidedly last. Perhaps you like counting, or drawing all day, or finding invisible dragons to slay. You have your own spirit, unparalleled flair, so rock what you've got every day, everywhere. Perhaps you wander, or wonder, or sing. The world needs your voice and the gifts that you bring. You can make a difference in big ways or small. You won't know how much till you give it your all. So find what you're good at, what you have to give, then go share your sunshine wherever you live. You might be a helper who's first on the scene. a speller, a builder, a rope jumping queen, a swimmer who knits, a cellist who cheers, a mutt-loving cat cuddler who volunteers. You are a blessing, a promise, a prize. You're capable, caring, courageous, and wise. You might go unnoticed or shine like a star, but wherever you go and whoever you are, don't change how you act to be just like the rest. Believe in yourself and the things you do best. So whether you're daring or careful or kind, embrace who you are and the way you're designed. Dream your own dreams, hear your own heart. You could change the world. You just have to start. Follow your path. Do what you love to do. Be completely, uniquely, remarkably you. Vikings, there's only one you in this entire world, and that's so amazing. This is what you're going to see in your Seesaw account. It says there's only one me. I'm going to make the world a better place by, and then you can either type, write, or record yourself telling me what you're going to do to make the world a better place. And then you can click that green check mark to submit your answer. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great summer, and hopefully I'll get to see you around this summer. Thank you for being here. Have a good day.